Travel Chinese Lesson 1. Arriving at the airport. Imagine this. You have just arrived in China. You are standing at the airport immigration desk. An officer looks at you. Let's learn the Chinese you need. First, listen. 你好. This means hello. Listen again. 你好. Now you say hello in Chinese. 你好. Good. Let's try again. Say hello. 你好. Excellent. Now imagine the immigration officer looks at you. Say hello. 你好. Good. Now let's learn the word for passport. Listen. 护照. Listen again. 护照. Now say passport in Chinese. 护照. Good. Again. 护照. Excellent. Now let's build a useful sentence. Listen. 这是我的护照. This means, this is my passport. Listen again. 这是我的护照. Now we'll build this sentence step by step. First say passport. 护照. Good. Now say my passport. Listen. 我的护照. Now you say it. 我的护照. Good. Now say, this is my passport. Listen. 这是我的护照. Now you say it. 这是我的护照. Good. Again. 这是我的护照. Excellent. Now imagine the officer asks for your passport. Say, this is my passport. 这是我的护照. Good. Now let's learn how to say why you came to China. Listen. 来中国. This means to come to China. Listen again. 来中国. Now say it. 来中国. Good. Now listen to another word. 旅游. This means travel. Listen again. 旅游. Now say it. 旅游. Good. Again. 旅游. Excellent. Now listen to a full sentence. 我来中国旅游. This means, I came to China to travel. Listen again. 我来中国旅游. Now say travel. 旅游. Good. Now say come to China. 来中国. Good. Now say, I came to China to travel. 我来中国旅游. Excellent. Let's practice the situation. You arrive at the airport. The officer looks at you. Say hello. 你好. Good. Now say, this is my passport. 这是我的护照. Excellent. Now say, I came to China to travel. 我来中国旅游. Let's try the whole situation one more time. You are at the immigration desk. The officer looks at you. Say hello. 你好. Now say, this is my passport. 这是我的护照. Now say, I came to China to travel. 我来中国旅游. Excellent! You just spoke Chinese at the airport in China. Before you go, let's take this one step further. Right now, you can say, 你好，这是我的护照，我来中国旅游. That's already real Chinese. If you want to keep building like this, step by step, the same way you learned today, I created a full program called Conversational Chinese Program. It's completely free. It takes you from zero to real conversations using the same method you're experiencing here. You can find it in the description. Start whenever you're ready. Next time, you'll leave the airport and take a taxi. You'll learn how to say, please take me to the hotel. See you in the next lesson.